Hey explorers! Welcome to today's adventure with Spark! Today, we're going to dive into the world of fun science experiments you can do at home.
That's right. We're going to show you some cool experiments using things you already have at home. Let's get started.
We're making a homemade lava lamp. First, fill the bottle with vegetable oil. Then add water and a few drops of food coloring.
Then drop in an alka seltzer tablet and watch the bubbles rise and fall. It looks just like a real lava lamp.
Next up, we have the baking soda and vinegar volcano. Watch this cool reaction when we mix the two.
The acid in vinegar reacts with the baking soda, creating carbon dioxide gas and making the volcano erupt. It's like a mini explosion.
Here's a fun one. You can make invisible ink with lemon juice. Write your secret message on paper with a cotton swab and let it dry.
Once it's dry, you can reveal the message by gently heating it up with a light bulb or a hairdryer. It's like a secret code.
That was so much fun! Science is all around us, and it's easy to try at home with just a few things.
Great job, explorers! Keep experimenting, keep learning, and we'll see you next time for more fun science.